Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Welcome to episode 93. We're continuing our look around San Francisco. Today we're at one of the city's most iconic viewpoints, Alamo Square Park, overlooking the famous Painted Ladies. Alamo Square sits on one of San Francisco's many hills, offering a sweeping view of the city skyline framed by a perfect row of Victorian houses. These are the Painted Ladies, a term used to describe Victorian and Edwardian homes painted in 3 or more colors to highlight their ornate architectural details. The row along Steiner Street, facing the park, has become one of the most photographed scenes in the city, and one of the most recognizable in the world. These houses were built between 1892 and 1896, during a period of rapid growth in San Francisco following the gold rush. Their design reflects the Queen Anne style, characterized by steep roofs, bay windows, and intricate woodwork. The bright color scheme came later, in the 1960s and 70s, when artists and preservationists began repainting Victorian homes to emphasize their craftsmanship and save them from demolition during waves of modernization. The name Painted Ladies was popularized by authors Elizabeth Pomada and Michael Larsen in their 1978 book Painted Ladies, San Francisco's Resplendent Victorians, which helped spark a renewed appreciation for the city's 19th century architecture. Before then, many of these homes were faded or painted in plain shades of white and grey. The book and the resulting photographs turned them into global icons of San Francisco style. From this spot in Alamo Square Park, the contrast between the colorful rows of houses and the modern downtown skyline captures the essence of San Francisco, a city balancing preservation and progress, old craftsmanship against new glass towers. On clear days, the view stretches all the way to the Trans-American Pyramid and Salesforce Tower, and even the Bay Bridge in the distance. The park itself dates back to the 1850s, when it was set aside as part of the city's early public park system. Its name, Alamo, originally referred to a single lone popular tree that stood here before the neighborhood was developed. Today, the park remains a favorite gathering spot for locals, a place to relax, picnic, and take in the view that feels timeless.
shit. There's the call center.
That concludes today's episode. Our visit to Alamo Square Park and the Painted Ladies, one of San Francisco's most enduring symbols and a perfect meeting point between the city's colourful past and its ever-evolving present.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.